Hello, hello, hello. It's Malika, proud owner of Lose the Pound Daily. I wanted to take a few moments to welcome you into our wonderful group. Yes, pardon my voice. I am going through a hill and I have a cold, but I couldn't miss the opportunity to welcome you and thank you for deciding to join our group. Just a couple of things I wanted to mention so that you will know how to navigate yourself throughout the group. You will see a lot of people talking about HCG and about keto and about other weight loss programs because we support every program. We support weight loss, weight maintenance, but not even just about weight. We want to provide resources for the entire you, your mind, body, and soul. Lose a Pound Daily slogan is that we empower you to get and stay healthy 1 pound at a time. However, it's not just about the weight loss. It is also about empowering you to be the best you that you can be. So we will start providing a lot more information in terms of life hacks, in terms of financial resources, relationship information, more recipes, because I know that you all had asked for more recipes. We will start catering and streamlining a few more things for people who are over 40, over 50, over 60. We'll start giving more categorized attention to different people in the group, or different different categories are different. That's another way to say that. We will start giving more attention to specific categories. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are touching on all of the information that is necessary in order for you to live your life fully and abundantly. In addition to that, in the next few months, we'll be rolling out a portal where you can log into. You'll be able to log into this portal and get more specialized information. I know sometimes when you're in the group, it's a little difficult to try to navigate information, to try to pull up files. So we will have a login where you will be subscribing to this channel, and you will be able to log in and get a lot more information. You will be able to download documents right onto your computer or onto your phone, and it'll just be a little bit more interactive. So keep looking out for that. So what I want you to do is to go ahead and introduce yourself on this video. Let us know who you are, especially if you're in the health and wellness arena. If you are a personal trainer, if you're a dietitian, if you're a nutritionist, if you have anything that you want to add to the group, please feel free to do that. So I want you to go ahead and introduce yourself if you would like. You can do it by video. You could do a separate post. You can put a comment here on this video, and we would just love on you and welcome you. In addition to that, just a few rules. We ask that you don't do any spamming or any recruiting as far as, for your business inside the group. We want to make sure that we always keep this a safe place, and we don't want people to feel obligated or compelled to try to respond to someone who is in their inbox asking them about joining their company. We don't want to do that. In addition to that, I want you to go ahead and click the link to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the next coming months, you're not going to want to miss it. We're going to be providing so much information on our YouTube channel and really growing that resource. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, and you go ahead and click the bell too, so that you'll get notified each time, we're on. And in addition to that, we will start hosting interviews. So again, if you are a nutritionist, if you have a cooking segment that you want to introduce, if you have some type of products that do not conflict with Lose a Pound Daily that you want to talk about, then drop the information underneath this video. In addition to that, go ahead and send me an inbox, and we'll go ahead and set something up with you so that we could have you on our YouTube channel as a guest. So anyway, I'm going to go now because I feel like I sound really manly. This is not the way that I normally sound. But again, I'm so thankful that you decided to join Lose a Pound Daily. I hope you have a great day.